Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download offline maps in Google Maps on your phone so you can navigate even without the internet. So let's get started. Make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, simply open your Google Map application. After opening your Google Map application, you will see this kind of interface and tap select your own map. Suppose I want to go here, simply click here and scroll below, and as you can see here, option called direction, start, save. Simply scroll at the right side and you will see option called more. Simply click on it. After clicking here, you will see the option called download offline map. Simply click on it. After clicking here, download a map of this area. You can zoom where you want to go and simply download it. And as you can see here, download has been started after waiting a few seconds or minutes, and that's how you download offline maps in Google Maps on your phone. If you found this useful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick tips. I will see you in the next one.